Oh, no. Hi, good after a long time I finally found it. Okay. Alright. All good. I'm back in the class. So let's speculate it. Now some news, if I'm not wrong. Let's move on to what I find expecting. Yes, 8:30 employment change in CAD. 10 o'clock we have news. Okay. So today, Friday, October 10, we have two news exactly at 10 o'clock. It's clearly and consumer sentiment, inflation expectations, two, two newses, not bad. And can we have a news at 8:30? Okay, let's quickly move to the chat. What about the daily? Today's Friday, it's expanding all the way down. It's keep on dumping towards downside. So I still expecting lower prices. So my draw on liquidity could be this for now, at least for this time frame. My draw on liquidity. uh, So you can clearly see price kind of after sweep, it's kind of keep on dumping every fair value gap, holding the price pushing lower. Big displacement last day, big displacement. The whole day gonna be the selling, I guess. Big sell off close below this range, so we can expect some continuation. That's a good idea. And we also have this beautiful 4 hour fair value gap, bearish fair value gap. So inside this range, I need to be bearish. That's something it's already get tapped. So it's inside this range, I need to be bearish. Okay. This is exactly at 9 o'clock, right? The 9 o'clock flush towards downside, and it's a nice pullback towards upside after this liquidity. After this major liquidity, price rebalancing to the not just rebalance to this 4 hour fair value gap. That's it. And it was a huge flash like till 1 o'clock. It's still 1 o'clock. Yeah. till 1 o'clock. It's a huge flush. I book my profit somewhere around this place. Yeah, somewhere around this area. Here I booked my profits, but it was a huge flush after that. But I don't like. I don't need it. Right? I don't need it. So what about in 1 hour? In 1 hour, yeah, we have the good bearish leg, and it's a good push towards downside, and it's kind of ran through this value. Then let's see. This is going to be the draw liquidity right now. It's going to run through this and going up after this dump. So what we can expect here from this price action, I can expect one thing. Price go all the way up. Clear this liquidity entering this fair value gap, then it's print some model and keep on taking out all the liquidities. Today is Friday, so I'm not sure about the price action, how efficient it's going to be. Yeah. How efficient is going to be, I don't know, but currently we are in hourly fair value. Okay. This is the current raw liquidity. Okay. Super fresh, super fresh. So the recent liquidity has been taken. If we balance to this fair value, it's already inverse this guy. So expect that draw should be this for now. So I'm expecting my draw should be this place. Then I expect my draw internal buy side liquidity should be this, at least for now. Okay. Can I go back to 1 hour one more time? So as soon as it's closed, we have both this fair value gap. We can expect the continuation towards this point till this place. So hereafter we can look for that shot inside this range. We can be bearish, right? Yesterday it's a good shot. I shot it somewhere around this place, and I expecting this was my target, but it's kind of big dump for 2 hours. Kind of almost 3 hours till 12 o'clock. It's good flush. You can clearly see after this, after this, it's nothing. Think about it for a moment. After 2 hours, like this is good flush. After 1 more hour, 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock, it's a good flush. But when the candle close, it's rebalanced. It's kind of rejecting and close here. And the next hour is traded to this point. So the point of holding the trade is bullshit. We are currently in the Harley Fair Valley area. And we are also in the 15 minutes Fair Valley gap. Also inside the 15 minutes Fair Valley gap. So if it's disrespect anything, we can expect the price to reach this liquidity, which means internal buy side. Then I can expect inside this swing exactly at this place, we can expect some reversal. So we can target this and this. But today is Friday. Obviously, you are not expecting bigger price action. You can expect, but you can't hold and hope. We are still 5 o'clock. It's going to play out, right? Mm, okay. After this liquidity, big fair value gap got inversed and it's created a bullish fair value gap. So I'm going to mark out this guy for a moment. I'm going to mark out this guy. If I get any model in 1 minute, I can enter the position, put the stop at the low. I'm targeting opposite liquidity. That's a fair argument. If I'm not wrong, that's a fair plan. If it's get ran through, then the obvious draw on liquidity should be this and this. So all everything is going to be from this level. So we'd like to see what's going to happen here. So recently formed a fair value gap already got flipped. It's created a 15 minutes, so that's good. If it disrespect this, we can expect higher prices. And in 1 hour, I like to see candle close above this range, so I can expect the price to reach this place. Then it's more lower. But if it's keep on holding, though, then the point of expecting that is bullshit because it's break this level, it's respecting this point and respecting this fair value gap. So it might because it is nothing, but there is no structure here for me to go for buy and targeting this. There is no structure. If it is, it should be go like this. So I don't find any structure here. So if it hold, if it's get ran through, we can expect lower prices. That's a good idea for today. Let's see what's going to happen. As far as now, I don't have any idea. As far as now, I have two ideas. This is flip and price inside this range, inside this breaker. Hardly it's kind of respecting so far. 15 minutes, it's created a fair imbalance. If it's closed below, if it's printed any model here, I can target lower prices. That could be if ideal thing I can do here. So till then, there is no point of going for anything. So this is a perfect time for me to look up for the session highs. Beautiful, bro. It's fucking beautiful. Asian session. It's clearly engineered liquidity here. Previous day PM session, Asian session, London session. No liquidity has been taken so far. Currently, it's cleared out this London low, which means London liquidity has been taken, and we got that inversion. So we can look for something here to target this. Then we target this. That's our plan. Let's see. London low also been taken, right? Beautiful. It's a clean liquidity. Clearly know that, but community, if you can't now what it and later I don't know. Yesterday, one more thing like Asian session low one high taken, London session low taken, so we can obviously sorry London session high taken, so we can target obviously London low. That was the game plan for yesterday, like Asia high and low taken, London high taken, so we can expect London low right. That is also a phenomenal thing. So now let's get into this parallel gap. Let's move to 1 minute. Do we really get anything to see here? What's my plan for the day? Today is Friday. So I don't want to break the momentum. So I need to be extremely patient now to go for entry. Mm, what has the goals today? NQ and GBPUSD. Today is 10/10/2025. So Forex, I'm gonna risk 500. USD futures, I'm gonna risk 250 if I'm not wrong. 250 to 300 roughly. USD, I'm not gonna risk more than that. Just go for two more trades. Okay, this is my risk model for today. Two trades max. This is my risk model. Risk. So Forex, I'm not gonna risk more than 500 for just for today because I'm guess what? 500. Yes, because it's Friday, so don't risk much. Don't injure yourself badly. Just risk 500. Second it should be 250. Two trades max. Okay, execution should should carry all the risk. So second execution should carry half the risk. So it's a good inversion. So that's it. 5 minutes tap inversion. Should I go for entry or just wait for some more resection to build? What about 5 minutes? Yep, it's nice rejection, but it's nice rejection. So enter, stop at this low. That's good. What's the point of stretch policy? Wait. What's the point of my stop if I keep my stop here? This should be my stop. 9 pip. So why contract is pretty much enough, I guess. Let's wait. It's building some more precision. That's an inversion. And after that, let's wait. Let's wait. But let it build some free section first for now. If it gets ran through, then it's going to be the whole different story. You have to be careful for that with that. Come all the way down, liquidity sweep, inversion, big displacement, power I created. So inside this, I like to see some bullish free section targeting. One, two, three. If you think a flip, it's kind of flip, yes, but it's not really. So executing five, five lot is pretty good. Let's put it there for now. I'm pretty close to that. Let's see. Second execution should carry half the risk. Mm, okay. Mm, no touch. No stop. Never touch the stock. Let the market not touch the stock. Let the market prove whether you right or wrong. Important thing for the day. So once you execute your position, all you need to do is just very patiently and idea is pretty simple. London low has been taken, big displacement towards upside, fair value get flipped. So it's leave these 15 minutes and a 5 minutes fair value gap. So I like to see some reaction here so I can go for buy to the stop at this point, targeting opposite liquidity like London highs. Then before I go in for short, okay. So I use the same two trades max. So this model for Forex is $500, which is 250 to $300. I don't want to risk and blow the two accounts. Okay. Two trades max. Second execution should carry half the risk. Never touch your stop. And goal for the day. And goal for the day is never touch your stop. Let the market prove whether you're right or wrong. What I'm looking for here. What I'm looking for here. 5 minutes. Gold. Value holding. Coming to this level. And what about this guy? It's kind of flipping this five again. That's not a good sign, to be honest. It's got flipped. That's not even a good sign. It's a decision level, bro. It's a current swing. At the current swing, reach this level. At the displacement, rebalance to this level. Exactly to this point. It's kind of projecting, inversing this value, which means it's going to go lower. So don't get confused. I'm not convinced to go for a shot. There's nothing how to go for a shot. Okay. Don't focus on pressing the button. Just wait, be patient. If you don't if it is not good, the setup is not great. Just avoid that. Just wait. You have a lot of time. You just say 46. After news, 10 o'clock, a lot of things will happen, right? Just be patient. Don't focus on time. Don't focus on pressing the button. Just what you're gonna do is just leave this chat. Time. Okay. It's pretty much look my family again. So the whole point is invalidated. Currently taken recently found a very gap invest. So here I can look for buy and targeting this liquidity. That's the plan. That's the game plan. But what happened here in here? There's one more story here, is right? Yeah. Mhm. In the nutrition, it's been something like super good. In 5 minutes in the nutrition, the liquidity has been left unfilled, not taken. Just sweep the interval, give the change in the state with this inversion. Sweep inversion with this change in the state. And this parallel gap with the breaker getting tagged. Again, an inversion, go all the way down. Clear up this liquidity, this equal lows. Then what? Rebalancing to this low. Then what? For this swing, it's rebalancing to this level again, right? For this swing, it's rebalancing to this discounted level again. Let's start to sell out. And in 1 minute, I don't find anything valuable to look for an entry. Yep. And in 15 minutes, in 15 minutes, okay, in 15 minutes, you can clearly see that. The liquidity hasn't been taken. Instead, it's flipped this valley here. It's flipped that. Flip, rebalance, holding, pushing lower, clear out this level, then again rebalance to this level. Clear out, rebalance to exactly the breaker. Then what? Guess what? The new version. On our we are also inside the 1 hour Kavali effect. It's clearly respecting it. Forward getting tapped, get displacement towards the downside, breaker and price go all the way up, rejecting so far. For rejecting, back rejection. 5 minutes is still holding. 1 minute is okay. Innovation, inverted innovation. Okay, if I can close and can close, that should be on 5 beautiful, so we can go. Icon, so it's beautiful execution. Let's see. That's it. The conversion almost for the planets. That's if we stay to the family, yeah, that's great. Well, so fill is going to be, let's put the stop loss modification. So stop loss should be here, like somewhere around 1.32718. 1.32718. 1.32718. Like that should be a stop. 1.32718. And target would be, I'm targeting this 1 hour. 1.3312. 1.3312. That's it for you. Okay. It's going down over the region. Don't care about that. Let's leave this file again. So we are good for now. Inversion bit displacement. So that's good for you. 1.3279. 1.32. Holy fuck. Fucking ditch 470. That's good. Let's play out. Let it play out. If Phil is not good, at least I should wait for this. At least I should do agree my position here after this can close. After this big innovation, after this big candle close, I should do enter here. Could stop at this point. But guess what? This candle close and your execution is 0.8, 1 pip. It means 1 pip difference. 1 pip difference. If I'm just wait for the final value of creation and I want to get tapped like this, I can add some positions. But still, it's okay. Just close it for now. Still, it's okay. The whole idea is to see this fair value gap to hold. If not, we are cooked. With this one alert, and that one alert is going to be here. After this, I need to break even my trade. After this, if it's clear out this high, I will break even my trade and I will target what? Right, this is the clean liquidity, so I target that. Let it be. Until then, I take off my hands from the mouse. I'm not going to do anything. Even if hit my stop, it hit my stop. If not, guess what? I can't do anything, right? Yeah, the fill is pretty bad. So it's the fill is pretty bad. If I'm just what if the price not pulling back like yesterday and if it's going up? You're going to talk some whole different story. I should have executed that place. You are executing a question in 1 minute. Once it gives that displacement, when you try to enter, but it's kind of moving up. So I entered that, which means one pip difference for this kind of close execution. That execution is pretty much one pip difference, nothing more than that. So so this should be my break-even point. Hereafter, I just want to break even my trade. Once it hit this target, that's my break-even point. If it's not work, if it's not work, then you have to be patient and have to sit in front of the market and see. This is what I would like to say. This clean instantly at the top. Ladder has been taken inversion. So current swing, 5 minutes 5 value gap, good displacement inversion. So I enter for the stop at the low. For this current swing, it's a clearly discounted range, right? So I like to see some continuation towards upside and candle close above the same, so I can go for that. Let's see. So I can talk like in hindsight I can talk like I can exhibiting a price after the fair value gap creation after the tap. What if it's the fair value gap now just created and just moving up, not because you are in the discounter range, bro. I wait for some reaction. That reaction is that inversion with that displacement. That's more than enough for me to enter. My plan is already projected, so enter my position. The fill is pretty worse, which means 3 pip. It's if I enter this point, it would be 5 pip, but now it's kind of 8 to 9 pip. But guess what? It's okay. No need to worry about anything. Just let the market prove whether you're right or wrong. That's it. 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. I don't like to see any reversal. If it's close above this range, I'm pretty much good. Slide down the journal. Okay. Never touch your stop. Let the market prove whether you're right or wrong. Mm, okay. Never touch your stop. Let the market prove whether you're right or wrong. It's amazing up to this. Doing that. Trade management, trade management. Let's so management is let's 9 o'clock. Oh, no, I don't know what's going to happen now after working. The whole idea is simple, bro. The whole idea is simple. Okay. The whole idea is simple. 9 o'clock candle opens a new candle. Let's see. All I wanted to see is place candle close above this high. If I'm right, it should close above that high. If I'm not right, if that hardly family continues to hold, then guess what? I might be wrong. So I might be wrong. It's going down and clear this liquidity and keep on going down lower. And I'm okay with that. And I'm good for that. Completely fine. For me, London low taken, clean liquidity at the top, big displacement. So I give the 5 minutes. That 5 minutes gives some good reaction for me. Holding, good reaction. The great pullback towards the discount, which means this fair value gap. Great pullback towards this point. So I was like, okay, all good. So the market is bullish, it should go higher. Not bullish. If the market is going to reach this liquidity or else for this internal, it should go higher. If not, you have to think something different. That's it. Now, Prem, just manage your position based on your model, clean trade management, and let's do image two. Uh, Ask a question whether you like this trade or not. If I love this trade, I fucking love this trade. There's no point for me to doubt this trade. Okay? If it invest, good, chill, no worries. Yeah, it hurts. I know that, but still, it is what it is, bro. In the speculation, in the game of speculation, it's going to recur as every single time. As soon as you enter the market, as soon as you put the position in your position, it will turn its direction and stop you out. That's the whole game of stock market. You have to accept that. Yeah, stop you out. Stop me out. So as per my wish, next trade shouldn't be carry whatever I risk in this particular trade. So I'm not gonna risk more than that. Let's see. Start out. So what's going on in other time frame? This is the case. It gives some good reaction, right? It gave a good reaction here, but it's kind of the next candle this invalidated this. Okay, so then what's happening right now? It's kind of holding, so I expect the continuation. But the next candle disrespected it. Unfortunate thing. I guess I'm lost pretty much, pretty close to 800 bucks in this fucking execution, which means it is $700, right? If it's $1,000, if it is $1,000, could be. So the next trade should carry 50% of what I risk in the earlier trade. So that should be the case. So 1 hour, it's beautiful hold so far. It's kind of inversing the whole fucking direction, bro. It's kind of the whole idea has been inversed here. Such an unfortunate thing. Inversed, and it's keep on dumping towards lower. Now what about 15 minutes? After just get let's get inversed here. So can I enter your position up with the stop at high? Just kind of chasing this. Is that good? It's just a stupid action. Just stay on 5 minutes. Let the price action tell what you need to do, what you should do. That's it. So I'm just check the P&L for now. Whether the stop loss has been hit or not. Should be 800 bucks. 700. 592, bro. Great. Not that bad. I plan to risk 500 bucks. It's 592. Not a big loss, and I like this trade. And I like this plan and trade. So stop out. First execution. Stopped out. Stopped in out. However, I love this setup and plan. However, I love this setup and plan, and um, not touch my stop loss. That should be a win for the day. Okay? That should be a win for the day. Now stop loss or touch my low. That should be a win. Proper solid win. So let's see what's then going. What's going on there? This fucking file get holding. 1 hour file get holding. So the idea is pulling back to this. What about the 4 hour candle close? So this is a 4 hour candle close. So let's wait 50% which level. This, just be in control, bro. That's a win for the day, bro. Just delete this, just put it like this. So funds holding nice reaction. So I entered here for the stop at the low, and I consider it as a liquidity. So consider it as a continuation to close above reach this point. Just for this model, this is going to be the internal, right? So we can at least target this. So if the price expand towards upside, which means we can clearly target this at least, if it's not this. But it's kind of clean location. Yeah, it's like this. I like this model, bro. There's nothing to complain about. There's nothing to complain about. So I'm wondering here whether whether this fair value gap continuously holding the price, pushing lower towards my drawn liquidity, or it's just in a matter of 1 hour we're going to get some news. Let's say it. If it's leave this value open, I'm pretty much interested here for to go for buy short if I get any reaction like good model. So what's the candle size? It would be 11 pip, not bad. It's okay. So let's go to switches for a moment. Let's change the mindset of re-entering the position again. Let's wait for something to happen. Wait for something to happen. Right? Yeah, I took a loss. I knew that. That's the reason I'm not risking $1,000. That's the reason I'm not very patient. I'm waiting for my order to control. I have the plan. I have the drawn liquidity. Everything is clear. Got that inversion. I pretty much kind of an advanced models, advanced execution these days I'm executing, but it's not something I'm usually executed. So as soon as I get the reaction, like a big displacement inside that level, I was like, okay, for this current swing, it's give 50%, like 60, 70% retracement, good retracement is in the discounted level. So I went for the buy, went for buy. After that candle close, stop would be the swing low and targeting what? Targeting the target also pretty great, right? Pretty great. If it works, it should work. After close about that, I have that break even level. Everything's so good, so great. But the problem is inside the Harley time frame, Harley fair value gap, and 15 minute fair value gap is almost got flipped. 15 minutes fair value gap almost got flipped. 1 hour fair value gap still holding, and it's a big rejection. So that's a trap, I guess. That's a trap for me. I get trapped. I know this. But the win for the day is I'm not touching my stop loss. That's a great thing for the day. I'm not touching the stop loss. If it's more above that fair value gap line, above that line, which means I could do close my position, close, which means weaken my position. That's it. Nothing else I can do. Uh, Sorry about it. I just put the phone aside. I just watching. If it hit my stop, if it's proved me wrong, just prove me wrong. No worries. I have the buffer. I can build it back. I know that I can build it back. I can I can be I can be a better trader. So I don't need to worry about that shit. So all I need to do is just execute the question. I have this ideology. I have that plan. Solid. Everything is solid. So I just wait for that to present. So what about the weekly candle? Weekly candle looks like bullish. So far so good. Daily candle is previous day. It's kind of after sweeping the previous day high. It's kind of a bearish price action towards rebalance to this 4 hour and to this previous candle close. Yeah, to the previous candle body, like come all the way down, rejecting here, close above. So we can expect some higher prices today. And in 4 hour, you can clearly see that after this 4 hour, like this should be in SMT. Like initially it prints a model, then it's come low trade lower with the SMT. Good, great. So the drawn liquidity should be higher, at least this. Okay. At least from the high time frame perspective, because the 4 hour value holding. So previously the whole idea is just price dumping towards the 4 hour, then it's moving higher. That's the whole idea for everyone. So if you can execute position here or else you can positioning here. So I positioning here as soon as it's tapped, I position, but it's sell off. Almost fill this fair gap completely, tap this fair gap as well. Then it start to move its direction. Yeah. So for so good, I'm gonna mark out this levels. This is going to be the liquidity zone for me at least right now. So for uh, you can clearly see that for this whole swing price rebalance to this discounted fair value gap with this inversion, associates get tapped, it's reversed its direction completely, but still the draw liquidity hasn't been met. Still the draw liquidity hasn't been met. It's kind of engineering the liquidity so far. Okay, and it's kind of after this tap big displacement create a 1 hour fair value gap that holding. So we still be bullish. Lot of reasons for me to go for bullish. So what can I do? Buy sell liquidity. So what the fuck is that? Buy sell liquidity. So this is my buy sell liquidity for now, and you can clearly see in hourly time frame it's inverse this big displacement rebalance, clean rebalance towards this fair value. Yeah? This discounted fair value kind of that after this point it's trading higher, right? This point it's trading higher, and next time will trade lower, come all the way down. This is purely PM session. This is purely a PM session, not this whole thing is in the AM session. After that AM session low has been taken in the PM session, then it start move towards upside. Flip this fair value here, created this. It's kind of that. We need to be bullish right now. So do we have anything to say here? Hmm, honestly speaking, I don't have. So let's see. Let's mark out this fellow like in 1 hour. It's kind of filled, completely get filled. So I don't like to see any place come get to this level again. And it's also inverse this fair value gap. So I'm leaning towards bullish. It's a lot of points for me to go for bullish. PM session after 1 o'clock, it's a good move, right? It's a good move towards upside. AM session is just dumping, PM session just pumping towards upside. Okay, all good. Nothing to complain about. So this is my buy side liquidity, and and you can clearly see one thing like in 4 hours, this will get completely getting full. This one get tapped. Good reaction towards upside. Mm-hmm. Okay, but how can I? Okay, it's created a family up here. So let's see whether what's going to happen inside this range. If it's get inversed, then what? Then we are good to go. We are good to go. If it is inversed, so what? Then no point for me to wait. Okay. So 15 minutes. Straight ahead. It's equal news as speed. It's kind of tiny speed. Emotion, comeback. I like to say it's whole, but it's not close to below. I would like to see this 5 minutes. What's going to happen in this 5 minutes? The whole game is going to be based on 5 minutes. Let's be honest with you. Okay, 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 okay. If the format got inversed, so there is no point for me to wait for something. Take it's go to Gbpusd. What's going on right now? Gbpusd. It's an SMT guy going on. So what's the risk for me then? If I'm get screwed or what? 12 pip, not bad. Just execute right now. Contract size. University. And can I put 8 count again? Because I think it's going to be a phenomenal thing. Just put 5 for now. By 5 for now. Then we can add further. Okay. Start would be at this low. So just put 5 for now. Then if it's split, it's not a pyramid. I'm just splitting that execution. But this is $500 site. So 1.32687 modified 1.32687 1.32 wait. So 1.32 single page 1.32687 and the take profit should be the same, not this. Yeah, take profit would be the same. This fellow, like this fellow. 1.33153. 1.33150. 1.33150. 1.33150. It's my take profit. Clean inversion, bro. Same idea. Entered. Okay. Clean inversion. After this, then is part. Okay. Idea same. At least we can target this side. So inside this area, we can put something extra. Like if it reaches this point. So set some alerts here. I like to see it sprinting in parallel here. Since it is sorry, I need to see some reaction. If it's again convincing me, then I can add some position. Otherwise, I don't. That's it. That's the plan for now. Let's jump into here. What about in 15 minutes? 15 minutes, it seems like not that. 15 minutes, I don't find anything. It's kind of done. And if I want that, no, we don't have that already. That inside the scenes, we don't have anything. Mm, mm. So, like, same target. So, for this whole swing, this is on liquidity. In 5 minutes, this should be the change in the state. The disbursement in 15 minutes, kind of same. This should be the change in the state. Big displacement. And then setting again, let's fuck off the chart for now. Fuck off the chat for now. Close the fucking chat for now. What the fuck is that, bro? It's told me, holy fuck, they were fucking wrong. You already proved me I'm wrong. What the fuck is that, bro? The next candle. It's huge inversion. Fuck off. Done for today. So done for today, it's 2% down. Fuck off the chat for me. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit, bro. Fuck off. God damn. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me or what? Before you hitting this stuff, just go to this value to rebalance. If you're a good person, so I can exit my position here. God damn, bro. Fuck off. Two big losses. Done for the day. You can come one day. You can come one day. You can't come one day. Fuck off. Shit. Same plan, same ideas. Sucks. It's same. Why don't I just close the question targeting page and put the stop there because it seems like good push tab this level. Good push to the downside for the family that rebalance. Finally, rebalance. But come down. Does it make any sense to me? I'm just chasing it. Well, I like to see this fear to the family, but it's close to below. It sucks. It sucks.
வாங்கன்னு பண்ண கண்ணன்னா இவன் போயிட்டான்
யாரு
இவன்
போயிட்டாங்க.
யாரு
யாரு போயிட்டான். வாங்கி போட்டீங்க வாங்குனீங்களா என்ன?
என்னங்க வாங்கினேன்
ஓ sorry.
nunca ஒரு ஜிகாபி கார்டு எப்படி ஆக்டிவேட் பண்ணலாம்னு தெரியுமா?
இல்ல
ஆன்ல. ஆ?
இல்ல
என்னோட
Yes. Good stuff. Yes. It goes below if you can enter the mission now. Last trade for the day. I'm breaking my rule, but last trade for the day. If it goes below, I can enter the trade with the stop with the high. Well, if I do, let's see. Yes. Self பண்ணிடுறேன். Finally, self. This is not this exhibition. This profit is not comes to an account if I make any profits out of it. Okay. If I make any profits out of it, it doesn't. I didn't take it as a conversion. So and so this is an entity. So the business. This will be my breaking point. So this will give me break-even point if it reaches this place. So I can target lower place. Some downside moment. In matter of 29 minutes, we have seen movies. So set the alert here. On alert. On alert at this point exactly. How to break and trade. And I now look my profits. Yeah. Kind of buying is not popular organized. Third and three, I agree. That Google. If it's cooked, I'm cooked. Oh, like in chat mode is supposing better thing is chat mode is supposing better than like it's price action வந்து மயிர் மாதிரி இருக்கு. ஒண்ணு கூட எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ண ஒண்ணு கூட நடக்கல ப்ரோ. எல்லாமே 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 மேல கீழ அடிச்சுக்கிட்டே இருக்கு ப்ரோ பிரைஸ். fuck இவ்வளவு கேவலமான பிரைஸ் ஆகிடும் பார்த்ததே கிடையாது ப்ரோ. So far I told you. So far not even seeing price action like this. Honestly bro. என்ன price action bro? எந்த பக்கம் எடுத்தாலும் அடிக்குது. No emotion bro. What's the middle for bro? I'm done for the day. I don't want to win the trade anymore. 30% down. It's okay. It's already market no modeling. I'm done. I'm good for today and I'm done for today. So almost how many percentage have it done? Close to 4%. Oh come. Overall what? 5 to 3% and I am 11, 75, 92 last year. Close to it, there's a profit update of touch it. It's better to not take any positions. I already break my risk model. I'm risking 500 and second rate should be 50% should be 750 lamudi of this 1,750 lamudi enough. My risk is purely deviated. Forex risk purely deviated. So it's better not to trade today. Even though it's working according to my direction, I don't want to execute any position hereafter. That's it. Done for the day. Boom. 1 minute sucks, bro. 1 minute sucks. Still it's rejecting you. Let's lose the position. Fuck bitch. Easy stop ஓட்டேட் பண்ணுறது முன்னாடி எல்லாருக்குமே ஓட்டேட் தான் bro. போன ஒவ்வொரு கேண்டிலும் மேனிபுலேட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கு Wow. It's tough day, bro. Tough day. Tough first day for me. Especially in Forex, I didn't think this much crappy price action. It's been a while I'm seeing this kind of crappy price action. Friday, it's fucking Friday. It's fucking Friday, bro. It's oh, fuck me up in all possible ways. Fuck. So one execution here in low time frame, one execution here after this inversion, one execution here. Next what? Third execution for selling as soon as I identify this inversion, like as soon as I identified this big inversion and intermediation, what? Here, these two ideas are simple, targeting the same target. These two ideas are simple, but this idea is okay. Fuck. This is the plan for today. Let's see what's going to happen hereafter. Hereafter, I don't have any access to press the button. I almost lost whatever I made last day. 4%. I'm down 3.5, 3.25%. Yeah, 1,750. I lost almost 3.2% in three executions. I planned for my plan. My planned risk for today is just $500. If I lost second, it's the second it should carry only $250. So overall, it should be 750, but I lost double, double that amount, like more than double that amount, 1,750, which is not good. From the risk perspective, the thing which I did today is completely bullshit. I'm good. I'm good for today. I'll come Monday and do something else. So just let's go on to futures. We will see. We will see this. What the heck? It's hitting target, bro. Buy sell liquidity has been taken. Market open. Good pump. 5 minutes, you see that inversion, it's already inversed. What? 9:35. 5 minutes, it's inversed. 1 minute, big push to the upside. And first printed 5 value gap holding, clear out the all time high. Another time frame, the time frame seems super bullish. 2 minutes, fucking bullish. It's big 5 value gap, right? Already in all the time frame, big push. 1 hour, it's inversed. So 15 minutes inversion. 5 minutes inversion. Yeah, it's a 5 minutes inversion. 1 minute. 1 minute big displacement. Created the first print of the area. Entered with the start with this level targeting whatever about liquidity. It's already hit on target. Great. Let's see what's going to happen in 10 o'clock. Wow, toughest day for me. So this purely deviated, lost thousand thousand 175 USD. How it's even possible, bro? My planned risk is this $500. They lost thousands, 1,700, which is not currently deviated to take my distributed. Example 3, not followed, not followed. Shade management using let's yes, it's okay. This side is good, bro. This is between this first. This side is pretty good. Innovation, online quick displacement. Open up this file here. As soon as we get inside this file, as soon as I see it's holding to display, let's start with this low. I'm holding. Inversion, 5 minutes, nothing is there, 3 minutes, do this, 3 minutes, or 1, 2, 3, 4, engineering electricity, what's the classroom taking, then it's just damage completely. Not the first day from me, like, fuck. This is skewed. This management is skewed. And I'm kind of 1 minute. I always told you what that. If you just sit on your hands in 5 minutes, great. But 1 minute, boom. Honestly, I'm just missed a move in the 1 minute. You can clearly see these are the low resistance liquidity one. And this is severe internal, external liquidity. And these are all the area which got inversed after the market open. 1 minute, we get to 1 minute, good push towards upside, created a area, hold in, pushing towards external liquidity. Wait, assess the internal, as soon as the internal has been taken, do retracement towards what could retracement service again to this first point of value and Discord invest in 5 minutes. I didn't get any structure so far. ப்ரோ ட்ரை பண்ணியா? ட்ரை பண்ணலையா? தூங்கிட்டியா? ஓ. In 3 minutes we do have the daily accommodation is just for me essentially. கார் புக் பண்ணிருக்கேன். அப்புறம் எப்போ ஷிஃப்ட் வரும்? 10:30 போக முடியாது. போகணும்னு சொல்லிட்டியா இப்போ? ம். இந்த இந்த வாரத்துக்கா? யாருக்குமே போல உனக்கு மட்டும் போடல. நஜி இருக்கா? சொல்லிட்டா ஹேப்பி வச்சு நம்மளுமே போலாம் எப்படி போதும் இது பண்றீங்க? ம். சரி ப்ரோ இது உங்ககிட்ட ஒரு $5 இருக்குமா? இருக்குண்ணா. பயப்படவா? ம். கடுப்பா இருக்கு ப்ரோ. ஏன்? பஸ்ஸுக்கு கூட காசு இல்ல. ம். இந்த அளவுக்கு மோசமான நிலைமை வச்சிருக்காங்க. வேற எதாவது கிடைச்சுச்சுன்னா போயிடும். அருணும் அதான் சொல்றான் நேத்து போன்ல. போன்ல ஸ்கூலுக்கு விட்டா அவன். கார்டு இல்லைன்னு சொன்னேன். அவ வரும்போது பேசினா நான் இங்க இருக்கவே இருக்காது அப்படி இப்படின்னு பேசுறான். அவன் தான் இங்க இருந்தான். இங்க இருந்தா அவனுக்கு லைன் டோல் கிடைக்கும் இல்லையா அதுல போனா இல்ல. இப்போ இருக்காதுன்றா சம்பளமே தர மாட்டாங்களா? இப்போ இதுல கிடைச்சது பேசுறான்ல 2 நாள் ஷிஃப்ட் மட்டும் நைட் ஷிஃப்ட். டியூஸ்டே வெட்னஸ்டே எடுத்துட்டேன். அடுத்த வாரத்துல இருந்து டியூஸ்டே வெட்னஸ்டே மட்டும் நைட் ஷிஃப்ட். 2 நாள் மட்டும் போயிட்டு குவாலிட்டி செக் விஜய். குவாலிட்டி செக் விஜய். லைட் அடிச்சு பார்த்துக்கலாம். பரவாயில்லையே 2 நாள்ல பரவாயில்ல. 2 நாள் போயிட்டா 250 தான் கிடைக்கும். எவ்ரி வீக் டூ டேஸ் ஆமா. ஓகே அது பரவாயில்ல. நல்ல இதெல்லாம் தான் நல்லது. 2 நாள் போயிட்டு வந்தீங்கனாலே உனக்கு ஒரு 200 250 கொடுக்கும். நான் போறப்போ 250 கொடுத்தாங்க. சரி போற $5 $6 அப்படியே ஒரு $2 சரி ஓகே பார்க்கலாம். So news will become viral. Okay. News, bro, news. So, shot that. And it's pumping up and fuck you up. So mentally, well, mentally, relationships goes like you shot into the time. Not the fuck. That's shit mentality. The market open big pump, Savaligia, created people. Mm-hmm. Right. It's innovation. Machine big display on the puts a love. So far. What's the point? When traditional film is a bit it's the points that much more time it should be body works. Like you know, news for no noise to hear. You fucking choppy market bro. వాళ్ళ పోయిட்டு కన్నా అప్పుడు అయిపోయినాయి మేరకి ఇలాంటి జరిగింది ఓన్లీ మీద అడగదు నువ్వు చెప్తే ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ ఉన్నది అడగదా ఏది మీద అడగదా దట్స్ ది పాయింట్ విచ్ మీన్స్ యూ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ సంథింగ్ lot of things like this and that but nothing happened as per I wish it's not pumping up as per I wish it's not pumping down it's kind of keep on accumulating there bro so you really see that it's keep on accumulating and there is nothing happened so far nothing literally nothing as per idea if it's moved towards upside or downside it's good but it's kind of nothing it's doing nothing God, get it what I'm telling guys boom rebalance to this level uh, holding is sorry holding the next candles invalidate that the next candle the following candles invalidate that idea okay and it's kind of holding so if any kind of close above is saying you can be bullish and target this it's so Exit online behavior, not Chinese. Block Montana, Block Montana, Block Montana, Dismiss Montana, Actively இல்லை. இன்னும் இருக்கு. கிரியேட் பண்ணாமலே ப்ளோ பண்ணிருக்கீங்க சப்ஜெக்ட் அக்கௌண்ட்டை. லைவ் அக்கௌண்ட்ஸை. மட்டும்தான் போயிருக்கு. ஃபிளாக் அப்படி மட்டும் தான் இருக்கு. ரெண்டு அக்கௌண்ட் க்ளோஸ் ஆயிடும். இதெல்லாம் ஓப்பன் பண்ண முடியல. Why it's not activated for a while. So it's fucking lost your account. அப்படி இருக்கு. 1.87, 1.87, 1.3273, 1.32, 1.33, 1.33, 1.33, 140, 1.33, 1.33, 140, 1.33, 140, 1.33, 140. Let me sure, let me sure. Okay. I get kind of that. Income which is wow, for $800 in the year, I'm earning $800 a week. For the week, I earn roughly 45,000 in Indian money, which is $800 per week. I earn $800. I'll give you the max. $8,000 is if I put $600 for my family, $500 to my home, I left it $200, right? $600 to family, also, I left with $200. And the $200 is for I need to spend the whole next week with these $200 to take care of my ride, everything, my living, my minimum balance, for things. ¿Qué palabra como un loco de país? பக்கமா ஒரு இது. As soon as it's cleared out this internal bias liquidity, just okay, bro. It's just a market. Stock market is like that only. It's going to require as every single day. It's not. It's going to prove you wrong, 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 wrong. You have to be stick with this game. That's it. So what happens is here I do have a 15 minutes value, a 5 minutes value. Everything has been invested here. Everything has been invested space close above this range. Leave this big bullish value up here, and you can clearly see in hindsight at least. These are all the low resistance liquidity run, and this is the internal and this is the external liquidity. And you can clearly see price expanding towards here and it's leave this fair value gap. So once we see this bullish direction, we enter the position right here for this candle close, put the stop loss at this candle, this level, and targeting what? Targeting opposite liquidity at least this internal buy side, which is our 1:1. And what happened then? It's it's 15 contracts. Good work, that's me. Mm, the concepts and all focus on automated motivation. So that's the 50K. Then others need to be Yeah. You don't think a lot, bro. In hindsight, I expect out of a British. It's not being practiced. I don't understand. Why should make a big Why should the cricket Johnson is not a big deal that you forward against the president? So many public and to be open with the two electoral of Attention was connected. Holy fuck! What the fuck is that, bro? At least, bro. Finally, we initially take this move. It stopped me at this point. After this inversion, I entered. stopped me out again. Then I went for a crazy shot in this inside this ring. Then I went for a crazy shot. Again, it stopped me out. I was like, holy fuck, what the hell is going on? As soon as I identified like inversion, it's kind of still holding this pace. As soon as it's closed the bow, I enter my position, put the stop at this point. It's kind of giving some pullback towards this breaker. Then it's kind of create more towards upside. Good push. After this break, I have the plan to what? After this break, I have the plans to break in my trade after this. But it's this is my take profit. It's only to 2.45 if I'm not wrong, and it's 30 pips. And it's really a good push towards upside, but I didn't expect this much push. But I expect from high time frame perspective, I was like, I clearly know it's clearly visible for me in high time frame. Like it's clearly got inversed. So the 5 hourly gap, so for holding the price got inversed. So the obvious target should be this. So we can expect the price to reach it till this point. Then we can look for some sort of reversal. So that's what I expected. So I was like, so this is the first round liquidity, but I believe the price will go all the way up. Clean inversion, so good push. So we can expect the 1 hour. This 1 hour will push towards this 5 hourly gap. Then it will print some price action and it's fall lower. That's my plan. It's 20 pips, to be honest. But guess what? So my first tip is this, my second tip is this. Hereafter, I can look for some sort of short if I want. But guess what? It's kind of beautiful price action, good push. This one, after this 9 o'clock, uh, this kind of give a good, really nice reaction at 9 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock, kind of, this is a 9 o'clock candle. Some push out there. Neither was responding. I'm not taking a level 3, level 4, level 5. Level 7 like it's level 15 15 minutes candle. Relying resources. I don't know what kind of candle it is, but this 15 minutes candle cleared out all this liquidity though. Hit my target, everything has been good. If I enter this position, finally I will break even the day, but I didn't. A lot of stupid activities in between that. Nice reaction. Spread the loan motor. Change the state, but there is no follow through. Change the state, but there is no. I expect the follow through, but there is no follow through here. Trade one last time. Trying to clear out this low. Again, I was like, so okay, if the market is bearish, if it's want to go lower, it should hold the price and pushing lower. But I was like, but it's kind of but it's kind of flip all the 5 hour gap, holding this earlier. So I should have entered my position here, but I was late. I entered my position after this candle closed. The next candle straight below, I entered here. So I can wait for this area to tap because this is the breaker, so I can a faster tap and rejection. Good push towards upside. I didn't expect this much push, to be honest. All my plan was to book my profits exactly at this point. My plan is nothing but to book my profits at this point. Because you can clearly see like the last family that holding the price got ran through. And you can clearly see this engineer liquidity is the first liquidity. The second liquidity would be this if this family have got inversed. Until then we can target this. Until then we can target this, right? First target should be this. Second target should be this. Third target should be third target. I don't think it's going to be go higher since it is higher than 5 value yet. But if it's close above, so we can expect higher prices. But actually, it took a really good reaction. Wow. Clean inversion, big candle, nice follow through. The next 1 hour is nice follow through. Unfortunately, I entered here with my profit side here, but I didn't know that, right? But I have the plans. I know that this will be the target. I have this ideology of holding my position at least to this price, but I was like already in drawdown, so I don't want to risk much. And it's kind of already late, and damn, bro.